पानी बहुत ठंडा है ना। हाँ होगा तो नेवे बर्फ ठंडा।
ऊपर ऊपर जाइएगा ना दूर से ठंडा लगेगा।
Bihar is
अच्छा
adorned with many
हाँ
tourist spots. While places like Rajgir and Nalanda have gained fame throughout the country, there are mainly vicinities in Bihar which are yet to be discovered. There are many undiscovered tourist spots in Bihar which will surely draw your attention. Even though we have a bountiful heritage and many historically affluent sites, tourists are not very aware of many bewildering places which enhance the aesthetic dimension of Bihar. The soothing Kokolat waterfalls, which is located 33 kilometers from Navada districts of Bihar and covered with a panoramic view of greenery and hills, is one of them. A fairly long staircase is to be taken to reach the waterfalls. The path is enveloped with a variety of shops on the way at either side with local eateries, shops selling toys for
অনেক উপরে
children,
আছে।
religious items, and whatnot. The level of employment Kokolat Waterfalls is producing, along with the mesmerizing beauty, is prominent enough to be noticed.
सब एक मोबाइल में भेज दीजिए सब एक मोबाइल व्हाट्सएप में।
निकिता तुम उधर ही रहो ना।
Kokolat waterfall has become an increasingly popular tourist attraction in Bihar, where huge crowds can be seen during summers for weekend picnics. These waterfalls also boast a wide variety of water sports and fun in the water. Apart from its significance as a tourist destination, the Kokolat waterfall is also widely visited at the time when a big fair is held on an occasion of Bisua or Chait Sankranti. This is basically a religious event accompanied with a 3-day Mela where many devotees take their bath in the waterfall. The Kokolat waterfall has great historical and mythological significance. The waterfall drops from an intense height of 160 feet, which is a magnificent sight to be behold. The rhythm of falling water playing melodious on the stones under earth is a sheer delight. After you reach the location, you will be welcomed by cool water spraying at you by the side of the waterfalls. Men, women, and children enjoy a weekend getaway from their monotonous life every now and then at Kokolat. One can bathe at the pond and enjoy with their family and friends. The bathing areas is divided into two sections for men and women to bathe comfortably. It is large enough to accommodate around 100 men and women at a time. Tourists click pictures of the hypnotizing beauty of the Kokolat carries. Time would come to a halt while one takes a dip in the falls, bathing and embracing the scenic beauty and the coaxing scent. After having a gala time in the pond, one can eat their heart out at the various eateries installed outside the waterfall area, whose mouth-watering aroma rings hunger bells. Kokolat boasts of many cascading historical anecdotes. Legend has it that a king of the Treta Yuga got a curse by a Hindu rishi to live as a python all his life long. He lived near the waterfalls as a python for a long time. His curse got lifted when the Pandavas met him during their exile. After his salvation, he proclaimed that anyone would bathe in the waterfall would never be reborn as a snake. Many people go to Kokolat because of this belief. Another legend goes that Ram and Sita lived here during their exile. The water is said to be touched by the divine and thus has therapeutic powers instilled in it. A 3-day religious feast is held at the occasion of the Chait Sankranti, which is a major tourist attraction. Devotees from near and far take a bath in the falls during the time with a belief that all their ailments will be cured. Kokolat is a scenic marvel hidden in the lap of nature. The herbs growing at the waterfall area are said to contain medicinal qualities. To reach Kokolat, there are on-road transportation facilities available. One can either take a bus provided by the Bihar State Tourism Development Corporation or enjoy a car trip with friends of a distance of 139 kilometers from Patna.